Assalamu alaikum dear listeners, I am Aksa Mukhtar. As you know that we have started a series of out of box thoughts from thoughts out of box, and this is second video in this regard. Today I am going to read the prologue from the book Thoughts Out of Box by Professor Mubashir Altaf. The prologue is taken from Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi's poetry, so let me narrate it. Not Christian or Jew or Muslim, not Hindu, Buddhist, Sufi or Zen, not any religion or cultural system. I am not from the east or the west, not out of the ocean or from the ground, not natural or ethereal, not composed of elements at all. I do not exist. I am not an entity in this world or in the next, didn't descend it from Adam and Eve or any origin story. My place is placeless, a trace of traceless, neither body nor soul. I belong to the beloved, have seen the two words as one, and that one called to and know. First, last, outer, inner, only that breath, breathing human being. By Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi.